Hello everyone, it's Robin here from ISC Forest and Garden and Mower.ie. Just a quick video to introduce you to our new range of wood chippers. We have the PIRANHA GSC650 and the PIRANHA GSC1500. Now let's take a look at some of the features of these machines. If you're on the market for a wood chipper, check out our website mower.ie or get in touch and one of us will be happy to help. All our wood chippers are delivered nationwide and they arrive to you fully assembled and ready for work.